Who are some unsung heroes for immunity? Well, the first one is right here. Right there. Good old sunshine, those UV rays. They get forgotten about all the time. Ooh, we're going to be giving you guys some light codes here. Boom, boom. You're getting an immune activation while you watch the video. You know, there's biohacking world, there's a lot of sexy stuff out there, but there's a lot of beautiful immune boosting things that we could be doing. They don't cost that much. They've been around a long time, so there's nothing sexy about them. Doesn't mean they don't work though. They're amazing. So we can think about just the basic nutrients like vitamin C gets forgotten all the time, and you can get that in whole food sources through rose hips, camu camu, acerola, other bioflavonoid rich things like elderberry that also have antiviral properties, especially against common cold coronaviruses. What else? Throat sprays. Stop it at the tracks, you know? So if you get even that little bit of a niggling on your throat, you can use a silver throat spray. You can use propolis, astragalus, Oregon grape, although that one's a little bitter, so for kids, not so much. Although my kids took it. And then what about the immune boosting herbs? There are some herbs that will boost the natural killer cells, the innate immune system that mold will tank. That is astragalus. That's aloe, the inner leaf of aloe. That's the larch tree, also goes by larix. We've got, oh my gosh, there's just so many unsung heroes. Garlic, how about that one? You can take garlic as food. If it upsets your stomach, you can take garlic as a supplement. Do not use the odor-free though. It doesn't work as well as the real thing. You want something really high in allicin. We talked about silver. I just want to share with you some of these unsung heroes because they're my allies, and they're the things that we can get people started on to boost their terrain so that they don't have to ward off a crud. It just bounces right off of them. Now, if you do get sick, there are also beautiful teas. You can drink gypsy cold care tea. There are herbs that are wonderful for relying upon: olive leaf, licorice, elecampane, mullein, red clover. These are all available to us that have antiviral properties, immune boosting properties. And so thank you for letting me sing the song of these unsung heroes, but the number one to not forget about and get outside and get that sun so you can conquer mold, take back your health.